Hey there. Today, we're going to look at how to make a Gamepass in Roblox Mobile. So let's get started. First, open your browser and head to roblox.com. Tap Continue in Browser and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, tap the Create button from the menu bar. If the button doesn't appear, switch to Desktop mode. Under My Creations, choose one of your games. Tap the three lines at the top left, scroll to the Monetization tab, and select Passes. Now tap Create Pass. Upload an image. Give your pass a name like Gamepass for me, and a description. Then tap Create Pass. After the pass is created, scroll to find it, then tap on it. After it opens, tap on the Three Lines button, then from the left menu, select Sales. Enable the option to sell the item, set the price in Robux, and save your changes. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.